Yung block na yun. I like this block, oh. Block is nice, of white, remember?
What, you want to take it now with us? Take it to the...
Oh no, we're gonna break it.
Yeah, just put it back in the car.
This is better, huh, Daddy? Toshiba. So, we're gonna get the display or they have the one in a box?
Go get the one.
Okay.
Go look at the phones.
And then the wall fan, we're gonna need like this one. Black, because our house is already white. Or the white one, this one. Should we buy 4 only? Yeah, because one kitchen, one dining table, one in a, and one in the living room. So how about the 2 rooms? No need, because we have aircon, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna put the aircon too in the other room. So only 4. Yeah. We'll buy 2 black and 2 white. This one one for the dining table, one for the kitchen, one for the living room, and one for the study table office in the 2nd floor. So 2 each, yeah.
You open the windows, the 2 sliding doors, you have tons of wind coming through.
No, sometimes it's humid. This color for the living room and this color for the kitchen. Saka po ito. May stock po kayo nito?
I already told the girl.
Oh, okay. The fan and this and the lights.
If you didn't have that chain, I like that.
Oh yeah, but it's not like that. I don't think they're gonna put.
And this one, I like that one, but I don't like the chain. It looks stupid. See how that is?
Yeah.
I like the 3. Like, see how they're uniform, they're nice.
Glass is nice, but
Hey, you don't have to buy the lights here. You know that, right?
yun. Ganda. Okay na. So this is the one I pick for the room. Mommy's room and Daddy's room. This one. It's on sale. This is for the dining table. You like the dining table, this one? Yeah? I like that one. Maybe that's for the... Wow, that's SM Mall, Santo Tomas. Wow, soon open. Here, save more. Stop by for food. We got Tokyo over there. We ordered Tokyo. We got our sushi, chicken, honey yuzu, orange yuzu, sushi. We got 3 pieces. Then got the tea. Yan. Ng aming binili sa milk. That's where we used to eat bulalo.
Yeah,
Mando and Elvis. They got nice building restaurant. And then it was nice bulalo, right? And before they got small store, small restaurant. Now they got big restaurant.